Hello Henry, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 BMW R1200R. It has only 3,900 kilometers on it, and the price is 15,888 plus HST and licensing. The motorcycle comes fully certified and is ready to go. It has this nice engine guards on it. The oil change being done. It's been a demo at BMW, Maranello BMW. We got it from them, so all the services were done at the BMW. So it's a premium package. It has a GPS ready. It has the joystick for the GPS right here. Has heated grips, modes, of course ABS and traction, and the electronic cruise control. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.